Hello, Chad Payne here, investment advisor with Security First Asset Management, with our weekly market recap for the week ending April 3rd, 2026. I hope everyone had a great Easter and your spring is off to a good start. A couple of announcements. We will be having a $100 gift card drawing at the end of the second quarter for a TJ Maxx gift card. So, anyone that you refer friends or family to us, your name will be put in for that drawing that'll be held at the end of the second quarter. So, please take advantage of that. And as always, we appreciate your referrals. Also, a very popular events coming up on April 23rd at our Macon office, our food truck and shred event. Bring all your old materials that you'd like to shred, and you can see them go into the truck and be shredded, and also enjoy some good Mexican food there from a food truck that we've had the last several years. Looking forward to that. If you can't attend that day, it's from 4 to 6 on that Thursday, April 23rd. You can drop off items in our Macon or Dublin office, and we can get those shredded for you. So please take advantage of that. Got a lot of people already signed up for that. Last week in markets, a lot was going on. A lot of things were led by the back and forth on the Iranian war front, and as well as oil prices related to that. But overall, domestic equities and all the indexes finished higher for the week, which has been not the trend lately. So a lot of volatility, but overall, all major indexes were up. The Nasdaq, in fact, was up the highest it's been in any week since November of last year. So a lot of that volatility again was surrounded by what was going on in Iran and the back and forth with negotiations, as well as military actions. And then oil prices were following suit. If oil prices were up, the markets were down. And if oil prices were down, the markets were up. Also, U.S. Treasury yields moved a little bit lower with some of those tensions easing in Iran, as well as the Fed Chair Powell eased some concerns about inflation with some of his remarks that helped markets as well during the week. On the other front, ADP payrolls the report was better than expected, with 62,000 private sector jobs added in March. That was expected to be in the 40,000 range. Also, jobless claims came in a little better than expected for that same period. So still a pretty strong economy. Higher oil prices and gas prices are certainly going to have some effect if this continues to wear on. Also, on a good front, U.S. manufacturing expanded for the third consecutive month as well in March. So hope everyone has a great week, though. There's a little golf tournament going on in Augusta this week that a lot of people are paying attention to. So in honor of that, I'm wearing my Masters vest today. The par 3 contest is about to happen, and history says that anyone that's ever won that par 3 contest has never gone on to win the actual Masters tournament. So it's a fun time, but nobody really wants to win that, so they have a chance to win the tournament. But we'll be watching this weekend. I hope everything goes well. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.